That's good. Greetings everybody, it's me, Nacho Nico TV. Hope you're having a good day and hope I can make your day better with this video. And in this video is going to be a little bit of a special day because there's a thing called Thunder Over Louisville where basically just you got like airplane shows or like jet shows, and then at the very end there's a bunch of fireworks, and it's a really good time to spend with your family. And you know, shut up bird, it's gonna be a really good time. I'm gonna spend this day with one of my favorite people ever, or probably my favorite person ever, and then my family, and it's gonna be a good time, hopefully. I mean, I might die, but you can say that for every scenario. Let's just get into the video. Those fireworks were so beautiful, but you know what would be more beautiful? If you hit that subscribe and like button, because a bunch of you that watch my videos aren't even subscribed, so you might as well do it, because like my content is explosive, get it? But yeah, I see why you might not want to subscribe. Bye, 5.